Plant more trees. Your car breaks down. That was
check this out. They're gonna be having a big old storm that's gonna be coming through and out America. And you know what that is? Y'all really gonna be thinking it's a storm, a tornado, and all that other shit. But this time it's gonna get worse. And guess what that is? A nuclear bomb. A nuclear bomb that's gonna literally take all our power out. A nuclear bomb that's gonna hit everybody. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna, hurt everybody. Everybody gonna get killed. All that other shit. It's a lot that's going on in American.
To whoever gets to love her next. She likes flowers. Flowers that she didn't ask for. She likes going on dates. Dates that you plan. It shows her that you want to spend time with her. She likes reassurance. She likes love notes, love letters, texts and updates throughout your day. Let her know you're thinking about her. Oh, and if you find a song that reminds you of her, send it to her and watch her smile light up. Forehead kisses. Everyone likes forehead kisses. She likes acts of service, quality time, physical touch. She likes little surprises because, let's be honest, the little things do matter. And this is a big one.
5, 6, 8. Y'all need to hype me up.
Do that thing with your eyes.
Money, look.
Let me see them lips. Attitude and give me face.
Boom, boom, boom.
Eyes, lips, face. Wait. Who you got that drip? It ain't no debate. You see I'm a winner in my eyes. Lips like this to make them cry. A certified star in the face. You gon' always know I'm in the place. Tryna catch a little bit of this Southside.
We just came back from church just a while ago. They get me some listen. We don't listen look good.
Oh, I'm exhausted thinking about my week. Oh. Yeah, so I don't know what your question was.